morning students. Today we are going to learn question 8 from the exercise. Page number 32. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending on 31/3/70 of the company's name which is given of Harpal and Chirag. From this, we are going to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and capital account of the partners. As we have done that first entry, what we are going to write in profit and loss appropriation account is by net profit. Transfer from P&L account. This net profit we will get from profit and loss account which we had already prepared. In this question, net profit is given to us ready-made. That is by net profit from profit and loss account. It is 79,400. After writing profit, if it is loss, then we will write on the debit side. Now the next entry what we are going to write is to interest on partners capital. To interest on partners capital. This will be second entry which we are going to record on in profit and loss appropriation account debit side, because it is an expense for the firm. And this entry will always be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So, capital is given by balance brought down 60,000 and 1 lakh, and on that we are going to charge interest charge on capital is 12%. So, 12% of 60,000, I am writing the bracket, 12% of 60,000 and 12% of 1 lakh, which is the capital. Which is the capital of the partners, which we are going to write in partners capital account on the credit side by balance brought down 60,000 and 1 lakh on 1/160. This is balance brought down of capital. Capital always has credit balance, so it has to be written on the credit side of partners capital account. After giving 12% interest, your total you will write outside in the amount column. Then add salary. Harish salary, Harpal salary. Harpal salary is given monthly. 1,000 rupees per month. So as we have done in notes, we are going to find out annual, that is yearly. So 1 month we have to pay 1,000. So for 12 months we are going to pay 12,000. The next is Chirag C's commission 5%, and that amount you will get 2,500. After that we are going to write by interest on partners drawings. Interest on partners drawings is income for the firm. And because it is income for the firm, always interest on drawings will be written on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Always. So here we have worked out the interest given on drawings is 9%. Interest is 9%. And drawings, it is given children which we will record on the debit side of partners capital account. Drawings, as I told you, drawings it has debit balance, and so drawings entry only partners can be drawn because it is personal account. So drawings entry we will write on the debit side of partners capital account always. So I have brought down drawings 15,000 and 20,000, and on that we have to give 9% interest, which I have worked out. Then I have recorded two interest on drawings, 1,000, 350 and 450. So this way we are going to prepare our profit and loss appropriation account. After writing all the entries of the partners, we will do the total of credit side. Because we have profit, we have to do the total of the credit side, and the total of credit side is 81,200. From this total, we are going to subtract 19,200 and 12,000. After deducting these two expenses of the partners, from the remaining amount, we are going to give commission of 5% on the divisible profit. So if we work out, your total is amounting to rupees 2,500. After finding out 2,500, it is direct on divisible profit, so 5 upon 100. After giving commission, you have to subtract the amount of commission also, and the remaining amount will be 47,500. This 47,500 is divisible profit, which you are going to divide among the partners equally. Because your P&L ratio, profit and loss sharing ratio is not given. So we are going to share equally. So 47,500 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Half of 1 upon 2. So you will get the amount 23,750, and again equal it is, so 23,750. So in this way you are going to prepare your profit and loss appropriation account always. There is no change, children. First bring down net profit, then interest on capital, then salary, then commission, then whatever other expenses of the partners are given. So we have to write on the debit side. Then net profit we have already entered, then interest on drawings. After writing all the entries, you have to do the total of credit side and subtract the amount of debit side. Then if commission is to be given, you will give commission first, then you will subtract commission, and the remaining profit is given to the partners. After drawing appropriation account, we will draw capital account. Capital account, as I told you, in capital account you have to transfer all the debit entries. All the debit entries on the credit side. You don't have to do anything. You have to just copy down all the debit side entry on the credit side. And only one we have this entries, not the total, only this much. This entry, credit side entry, we are going to write on the debit side. Extra entry, what we have to write? Drawings, which will be given to you. Capital, which will be given to you. And after that, we are going to do the total of purple, which we will get 1 lakh, which we will get 1 lakh. 1,02,450 and Chirag 1,38,250. Then subtract this two and this from the total of credit side. That we know how we find out the balance carried forward. So credit total minus debit total. You will get the difference amount here. And this difference amount is written to balance carried forward. And these are the two difference amount. Balance carried forward we will write in balance sheet as carried. are going to prepare our P&L appropriation account. This is which method? Partners capital we have written. So this is which method given? All the entries are written in the one account. So this is which method? This is fluctuating capital method. Because we have written capital also and all the remaining entries also in one account. So in this way we are going to prepare the appropriation account and capital. Now in the next question we are going different accounts are to be prepared, that is fixed capital and then the current capital. So that is for your homework. Profit and loss appropriation account you will draw and then you will draw fixed capital. In fixed capital we will write only one entry by balance brought down and by balance carried forward, and the remaining entries we will write in partners current capital. So in this